up, I am on my way.
Okay, hi guys, I'm going to do a birthday haul. This is stuff that my daughter got me and some stuff that I picked up that I wanted to get. So let's start out with a Shopmissa haul. I don't have the packaging because we both got some stuff, and I'm just going to show you what I got. So she's already opened her stuff, and so I'm just going to show you what I picked out. This cappuccino foundation, which I probably ordered this the last time that I got an order, but I just went ahead and got some more cappuccino foundation from the Black Friday sale. And then I picked up this Ultimate Glow Face highlighter palette. I was like, this is different and new. I found my Bare Minerals primer and also my e.l.f. primer. So I wanted to try the AOA Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. So I got two of these. Just two of those. Then I picked up this hand sanitizer. This is the topical spray. Spray hand sanitizer. I use this when I go thrifting. I pretty much use this wherever I go. So when I go into the store, I spray my hands before I touch the cart. I kind of spray the cart a little bit. And then as I'm going through the store and I'm looking at stuff and touching stuff, I'm spraying my hands. Especially when thrifting, because you don't never know where the clothes are coming from. So I just go ahead and just use my hand sanitizer spray. So I picked up two of those. And then she also got me two lipsticks from Amuse. I got a lipstick and what is the name of this? I never see the name on these, but this is Amuse Lip 7292-10 and 7292-11. So I got two lipsticks. And let's open this one. This is matte. So it looks like this. This is like a brown color. And then I got this one, which looks like that. This is a darker red color. And then I got a lip cream. This is a matte lip cream. And this is a Midnight Kiss. So we got Midnight Kiss. And the next thing is, my daughter was like, it's a Black Friday sale. Pick some stuff out, Mom, so I can add it to my order. So I picked out the Blurfection Face Primer. So I got a whole bunch of face primers to try since I found my other primers, and I was like, that is what I've probably been missing with my foundation. I kept feeling like something was missing, and I used to use the e.l.f. primer, and I like that because it's like a barrier between you and your foundation. So now I'm going to go to the clothes part of this video. I didn't get a lot because I've been thrifting and I haven't even did that thrift haul. But for my birthday and some stuff I haven't shown you yet, I got this shirt right here. This is from Factory Connection. I'm just going to go through this really quick. I had this on in my try-on haul. This is a Good Vibe shirt from Factory Connection. You guys saw my Christmas shirt that I had on with the trees on it. That's for Factory Connection too. But I already wore that. The coffee, lots of coffee, stretchy, soft tee to wear around the house. Sorry. And then I got this right here. This is a dress shirt. And I plan on wearing this with my jeggings. I thought this was so cute. And I like the colors on it. I know that some of the colors look fall, but I saw it and I was like, this is cute, and I'm gonna get it. And then I got this from Factory Connection. RUE21 and Factory Connection are kind of like, have some of the same stuff. So they were having a sale, and RUE21's jackets were $20 and Factory Connection's jackets were, or coats were $20. So I got this coat right here from Factory Connection. I pretty much, when I went shopping for my birthday, I was like, I'm not just gonna get a whole bunch of stuff because I just went thrifting. I got new sweaters, I got scarves and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna get some stuff that I need. So I got that coat, and then this is the coat that I got from RUE21. So I got this coat right here, and this one was $20 also. And I was trying to pick something that I wanted. Their sweaters were $12, so I just got this black sweater. I was looking through and I was like, I don't think I have a black sweater. I have a burgundy, I have a gold. I don't remember picking up a black sweater. So I got a black sweater. And then to go with my coats, I got me a beanie. I think this is so cute. And the last thing that I got from RUE21 were these jeans for $9. So that is what I got myself for my birthday. If you watch my videos, you know I told you guys that my daughters were planning on putting me in Instapot, and I went and got one on sale. So these are the things that I got for my birthday. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell if you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.